This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So first step is to launch Settings, then enter Google category, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button, then you will need to open the Data and Privacy section, scroll the page all the way down, and then go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Then in order to continue, you will need to input your account password. So let me do that off the screen real quick. Onwards, finish the account deletion, which is a simple task. Just check those two boxes, tap at the Delete Account button, and that will be it. At this point, the parental controls were deactivated already, or have been deactivated already. So let's check it. So no Google account over here, and neither there are parental controls. So now I will quickly show how you can restore the Google account so it will not disappear completely. It is a very simple thing to do as well. Just log into Google Play Store with it. So I will start. So should you with inputting the account email address, then you should see this message. Follow this message by entering the account password as well. And well, by the sole fact that we can continue signing into the Google Play Store, you can already tell that the account is recovered, and here it is. So, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.